All right. Today, Tesla was granted a design patent for its Cybertruck wheel design. The design patent is good for 15 years. That's it. It's the only vehicle you're going to get the Warthog wheel on. It's Microsoft and Halo and 323 Studios and Tesla.
323?
What are they? 343?
Yeah.
Although they're not involved anymore, are they? What happened with that? No,
Yeah,
never
something.
mind. We don't have to go down that rabbit hole, but there was varying relationships involved in the Halo.
Well, now the design.
What's up with Halo?
there.
Why can't you get a sick Halo anymore? Don't you remember when Halo was that game? What happened? Why is that franchise? Why can you have? Because it felt huge at the time. Why can you have the Call of Duties, the GTA's, these franchises? And I'm not saying like I know Halo has its fans and everything else, but like what happened?
I think there was like a turn in like Halo at a certain point. I think 343 was kind of involved in it because they make the game, and it didn't turn out the way that they wanted, and fans didn't like it. I think it was like a style choice. I think it was like a story choice. It was like a lot of things combined that kind of had a little failure on Halo.
Somebody's playing the game right now. People are saying 343 didn't do a good job after Bungie left. Microsoft doesn't care about Halo. I blame them. Halo is a good song from Beyonce.
Okay. It is a good song. Yeah, the latest game doesn't even have co-op now. Like it's been so long and they haven't even developed co-op.
Yeah.
It seems like they abandoned Halo.
I don't know what's going on, but that was a missed opportunity, man, because I keep seeing these wheels and thinking of my good old Warthog days. I think of my local area
Blood Gulch?
parties
Yeah.
with wired connections between consoles, early Xbox days, sniper rifle. Yeah, I was in the Gulch, man.
Gulch.
I was in the Gulch, spawning in there. Oh.
Yeah. Well, now you can get them for real with your Cybertruck.
You can.
It seems like it's real.
Yeah, it's real. And thank goodness. I mean, they had to know that they had to do that. That was a non-negotiable. You couldn't deliver that truck with just regular wheels,
Yeah. You have to have this.
wheel and tire package. You had to have something that fit how crazy the design of it was. You know, you're going to have this stainless steel monster like that. You got to have a wheel like this. You got to make the whole sales pitch. Otherwise, it looks like a body kit on an F-150, like I told you.
Yeah. It's not going to match.
I got to assume, though, this might cause some problems for you if you ever want to switch tires or something, because look at the way the actual rubber fits into that. If you go to the next image, look at the way the rubber fits in there. That's some specialized rubber.
Right.
You're paying for that. Is it Goodyear? No. Is it? It is Goodyear. Well, they teamed up. Still need rubber where the rubber hits the road.
Okay.
Cybertruck.